Welcome back. In this session, we are going to create a condition records. In previous session, we understand posting period. In this session, we are going to understand info records or condition records. In real time, we are going to procure the same material from different vendors. So all the prices of different vendor for that material, we have to maintain the same in SAP. So SAP gave this option to maintain with reference to the vendor and article, purchasing organization and plant combination to maintain the prices. Let us take one example. Here I have one material, ABC is material. I am procuring the same material from different vendors. The prices of these vendors are different here. See here the price is 100, here 102, here 103. If I create any purchase order with reference to this vendor and this combination, then system is going to pick automatically price 100. If I am going to create with reference to this vendor and this material, then system will pick 102 at the time of creating purchase order. Similarly, for this vendor, system will pick 103. You will see the impact of this condition records at the time of creating the purchase order. Purchase order is created from ME21N. See, this is the purchase order screen. Once you enter the material here, once you enter the vendor here, system automatically fetch the price here. That is the concept. If you don't maintain, you have to enter manually like this. So to in real time entering price manually, that is not possible. All companies are going to maintain a info records. For maintaining info records, there is a T code called ME11. So go to ME11. So here select your vendor. We are going to maintain. Company code is 8800. Okay. This is the vendor. What I will do before maintaining this, just I will copy this. To copy this, you have to press Ctrl Y. Then with the help of mouse, you can select this. Here I have these vendors. I will open another session. Go to MM60. Remove this. Enter 8801 plant. Press F8. So these are the materials we have. I am going to copy this as well. Press Ctrl Y. Copy this. So for this vendor, I will copy. I will copy one by one. This is the vendor. Here I have three vendors. For this article, price is 10. Here 11. Here 12. Just only for understanding purpose. 15, 14, 12. 20, 18, 25. So we are going to maintain only for first two one. If I start maintaining for all, it will take time. We are going to maintain only for three articles. Also, I will remove this. For these three, we are going to maintain the condition records like this. This is the price. So what we have to do first is this vendor and take this material. Steps I mentioned here. What we have to select here. Go to SAP. Enter this vendor. Material number. Double 8800 is the purchasing organization. 8801. Press enter. Purchasing organization 8800 not responsible for plant 8801. It seems we have missed something. Click on this one. there is some issue with the configuration. So now how to go to the configuration from this screen? Many consultants, many students doesn't know. So this is the place you can go directly to the customizing. Click on this one. Continue without specifying project. Continue. Here I will check this assign plan. I will check first this one 8800. See here we assign this purchasing organization company code. Go back, purchasing organization to plant. Click on this one. I will go to notes. I will check. This is purchasing organization configuration. Assign purchasing organization. Create assign purchasing organization to plant. This step we missed there. During purchasing organization configuration, we supposed to assign this to plant as well, but maybe by mistake it happened. We didn't complete this step. Now we are going to complete this one. Now go to new entries. Before going to new entries, we will check 8800. There are no entries. Click on new. Purchasing organization 8800, plant 8801. Complete this step. Save this. Go back. Close this. Now again press enter. See, this time it is okay. Because of configuration issue it happened. This is a general data. If you want to maintain any information here, maintain. We are going to maintain only selected here. See, one thing you have to remember, in SAP you will find more than one field. Explaining all the fields, that is impossible. Based on the context, based on the scenario, we are going to understand these fields. Right now we are going to maintain info records for this material. Press enter. Here enter planned delivery time from this vendor. Let us take 2 days from all. Here enter standard quantity. This is the price. Price you have to take as per this. Price is 10. Press enter. Save this. We have successfully created first condition record. The same way we have to maintain for other vendors as well. So in real time what we will do, we are not going to maintain like this. If you have many purchase information records, we are going to use LSMW for uploading those things. Maintain for other vendor. Copy this. Change the vendor. Press enter. To quantity 1, price is 11. If possible in coming days, maybe at the end of the course, I will show you how to do this mass uploading. Press enter. Save this. Now change the vendor to 3. Maybe we don't have. Sorry, we have this vendor. It is starting from 1 to 0. I will take this. Change this. Press enter. Press enter. We are updating the prices here. Save this. Now repeat the same for this article. Will come from this side now. copy this article, price is 12, save this. Now this vendor, same article, press enter. $14, save this. Next vendor, price is 15. Here enter 15. Now for this article, press enter. Price is 20. Save this. Change the vendor. Press enter. $18. Save this. Price is 25. For practice, take any price. We have successfully updated all info records here. See these many info records we created in this session. Hope you understand, and don't forget to complete this step as well. By mistake it happened. In next step we are going to understand procure to pay cycle. Thank you.